Get it for free, but then pay attention. I've been surprised at how little interaction there has been about two relatively major FreePBX and PBExact issues in the last few weeks. First, Debian is inviting FreePBX or PBExact users to upgrade from version 12 Bookworm to version 13 Trixie simply by pressing enter at the yes/no prompt after running apt-update over SSH. Crazy if you ask me. The commonly used apt-update and apt-upgrade-y would instantly accept the invite and break FreePBX or PBExact 17, which isn't compatible with anything other than Debian 12. Personally, I blame Debian for making it so easy to carelessly proceed. Who really checks what they are updating? Well, now you do. If you are worried about this happening, 20Telly has documented the official preventative fix on our support portal's knowledge base, and a link to that is in the description below. Second, a zero-day exploit in the Endpoint Manager module that wasn't disclosed publicly for 5 days. If your FreePBX or PBExact GUI isn't protected by a firewall from untrusted IP addresses and exposed to the public internet, your system could already be compromised. If the firewall is down even for just a few moments, then you are vulnerable to attack. Let's hope there isn't any overnight maintenance scheduled by your data center, because you wouldn't want the firewall auto-disabling for 5 minutes following a reboot, creating a convenient window of opportunity for the hackers. The solution is to update Endpoint Manager to the current stable module or uninstall it altogether. And please, use the onboard firewall. There isn't a good enough reason not to. If you're watching this and got caught out by either or both, then you have my utmost sympathy. I understand that keeping up with FreePBX or PBExact maintenance can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially with busy schedules or limited resources. I assume you got everything sorted though, because you didn't call or email. In fact, 20Telly hasn't received a single request for help with either issue. 0. I have to be honest, I am shocked. Do I believe a reported 4 million deployed systems have been updated and therefore okay since the 21st of August 2025? No, I don't. I think 25% at best, if Sangoma are lucky. Perhaps they can advise how many recent downloads of sysadmin-edge and endpoint-stable there have been to date. 20Telly is the self-styled go-to for all things FreePBX, especially in the UK, and our presence is being felt around the world. Justifiably so, I think. Niche as it is, we are the noisiest partner on every major social media platform, and we fly the Sangoma flag higher than anyone else. So, why such stark silence from users back the other way? Because most users aren't paying attention. 20Telly has worked with Sangoma, FreePBX and PBExact for over 8 years. The last few weeks have left me concerned and considering what more we can do about it. But it's not a 20Telly problem. It's not really a Sangoma problem either. It's a more general problem relating to open source based software. If you aren't prepared to pay attention, then you need to start asking for help. If you are unsure how to manage these urgent obligations and critical requirements, then reach out to the community or 20Telly. We are here to ensure your systems are up to date and secure. If you download something for free, then you are not invested in it. Literally. You might spot a few users who truly are because they have posted on the FreePBX forums and collectively contributed almost 100 posts to each related topic. So where are the rest? They aren't all forum lurkers trying to make sense of the conversation, surely. I know the answer to that rhetorical question because my posted link summarizing what to do had a total of 4 clicks in 24 hours. So that's 1 for every million systems. Some users don't want the PBX license fees and convince their boss or fellow directors that FreePBX or PBExact and this free-to-use software was the best way forward, but aren't then able to put in the time and effort necessary. Perhaps others have left the organisation and no one can find the keys. I know choosing FreePBX or PBExact can prove cost-effective, but so does 100% uptime with any proprietary alternative. and these systems require ongoing maintenance to avoid serious issues. I am worried that far too many systems haven't yet been secured with the required fixes. If you don't know what to do, then let's work together to ensure your systems are safe. I repeat, 4 million systems and 0 requests for help.